Today we'll learn about data handling. So what exactly is data handling? Data handling means collecting some data and then recording it and then representing it in the form of either a pie chart, either a linear graph, a bar graph, or histogram. And why we do so? We collect the data and represent it to know more about the data and to fetch out important information that can help the organization or anyone to improve themselves or improve the profit, to get more profit and to progress more. So like here you can see, let's say the first one here, it shows the bar graph of the students in a school. So in 2000 you can see this much students are there. So here, just by observing this data, you can easily say that on the year 2001 the students were more. So then the organization can do some action to improve the quality and to get more students. Then in the second one you can see this is the sale, so in the particular months, and then you will get to know that on March they are having a lot of sale, so they can get what is the reason behind it, and then they can improve to get more sale in the coming months. So like this we have so many advantage of getting the data and from the data handling. And you have also seen these kind of figures in a newspaper, television every day, so they also represent these things to show the data. Now I'll discuss how we can fetch out the information from the data. So these are the four parameters that we can get from the data. The first one is the range, mean, second is mean, third is mode, and fourth is median. So now I'll just tell you about each of these. So these are the central tendencies which you get from the data. So first one is the range. So range is the difference of highest value and the lowest value will give the range of the data. So here I've taken a question. The scores of in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students are as follows. So you can see these are the marks of the student in mathematics. So first what I'll do, I'll just arrange it in increasing order. So I can see the 5 is the lowest, and I will find out first the range. So as I've told, what is range? The highest value, the difference of the highest value. So here see the highest value minus the lowest value is like 25 minus 5, so that will give you the range. So the range will be 20 for this data. Now we will calculate the mean. So for the mean, so here the sum of all the observation is 263, and 263 divided by 15 you have to do to get the average marks here. So if we calculate that, so it will come out to be 17.5 something. So that's the answer. So like this you have to calculate the mean. Now we'll talk about the mode. So mode is very easy. So you can see which data is coming more in this times. This data is coming more times here. So if you'll see, you will find here this 20 is coming 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So this is the only data which is occurring many times. So the frequency if of 20 only is 4. So the mode of the data will be 20. So the mode is the very easiest one to get it. So now we'll calculate the median of the data. So finding the median, first you have to arrange the data in increasing order, that I've already done, or either you can take it in decreasing order. So here you have 15 observation. So whenever you have odd number of observation, so you have a formula, you can write odd number. So you can't divide the odd number with 2, right? So you just add 1 and then divide it. So you will get how much? It's like 16 by 2, so you will get 8. Okay, so the 8th term, so the 8th term is the median. Okay, this is the one of the way, or the second way is you can just calculate it manually as well. So you have just taken these in ascending order, so you can go like, you can see which is the mid value. You have taken 2 from here, 2 from here, 3 from 4 from here, 4 from here, Then you can see 5, here also take 5, 6, 6, and then here 1, and here also 1. So you see this value is the mid value. Okay, so like this also you can calculate, or if you want to remember the formula, so you can write here odd numbers. If you have the observation in odd number, then the odd number plus 1 by 2 will give you the, that term will give you the median. Okay, so you can use this thing. If you have odd number of observations, then you can use this formula. So here the median will be which one? The 8th term will be the median, and 8th term is 20. So the median is 20. Here the answer will be 20. So here the median is 20. That's the answer.